You did?
Yeah. Well, not me, but where I used to work with it.
Pretty nice medal.
You still don't get the fucking idea of how thick it is in the pictures, man. I'm telling
Put
you.
your freaking hand by it.
Because I took a couple pictures, man. It's like,